Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about BBVA Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can order checks for your BBVA bank account. So first, just a little background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what a check is and how it's used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your BBVA bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the BBVA website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, bbvausa.com. You can also check the description for the link to the bank. So the first way to order checks for your BBVA checking account is going to be to log in to your bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the sign in button on the top right corner of the screen and click on that. It's a little small, but you can see it right at the top. This will bring up this page where you can enter your username, password, and then click sign in. Now, if you don't have a username and password yet, there's an option right here, third option down, that says activate your online banking. You can click on that and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, go to your bank, go to banking options, and then click on order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for BBVA. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your BBVA debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the BBVA website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to also let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for BBVA. I've already got this tab up, and you can see I've typed in the search bar order replacement checks for BBVA. What this does is it brings up several websites for third-party vendors that you can use to order your checks. So you've got Carousel Checks, Costco Checks, Checks Unlimited, as just a few examples of pretty popular websites that you can use to order your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. If you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact BBVA bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the BBVA bank website or through the customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded, and so you'll have to provide those yourself, and you want to make sure to provide them accurately so that way you don't have to worry about possible bounced checks due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on BBVA USA Bank.